Hey there, my friend. It's Henry here. Let me ask you something. Have you ever watched a movie and you understood nothing? Have you ever listened to a native speaker and thought, wait, was that English? Maybe the words sounded too fast. Maybe the sounds were unclear. Maybe the sentence felt like one long noise. Right? If you felt that, you are not alone. Millions of English learners feel the same. Every single day. Here's a fun fact. Native speakers also don't understand each other sometimes. Yes, even native speakers say, "Huh? What did you say? All good? Say that again?" So if you feel confused, you are normal. You are learning. You are growing. Today, in this episode, I will show you exactly why native speakers feel so fast and how you can train your ears to understand them more easily. Step by step. Calm. Clear. Simple. And trust me, you can do this. You will do this. And after today's episode, you will feel more confident every time you listen to English. Sound good? Okay. Let's start. Hey again, friend. Welcome back to Confident English Cast. It's Henry here, your English coach, your guide, and your personal cheerleader for simple, clear, real English. I've been teaching English for over 25 years, and I've seen this problem thousands of times. Students say, "Henry, native speakers talk too fast." Or, "I know the words, but I still don't understand." And listen, I get it. Because many years ago, when I was learning Spanish, I felt the same pain. Someone said, "¿Cómo estás?" And my brain said, "¿Cómo estás?" What is this new animal? Yes, I was lost. Totally lost. So trust me. I understand your struggle. I really do. And today, I want to help you fix it with easy steps that work for all English learners. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a new episode. Your support helps this podcast grow and helps me bring you more useful English every single week. All right, let's jump in. In today's episode, you will learn why native speakers sound fast, the real reasons you can't follow their speech, how to train your listening, simple daily habits, and how to feel confident when listening to real English in the real world. Ready? Let's go. Section 2. Topic introduction plus main explanation. All right, friend. Let's talk about today's topic. Why do native speakers sound so fast? Why is it so hard to understand them? Why do all the words feel like one long sound. Is it your fault? No, not at all. There are three big reasons why native English feels difficult. 1. Native speakers connect words. 2. Native speakers reduce sounds. 3. Native speakers use natural rhythm. And guess what? These things are normal. They happen in almost every language. But when you learn English in school, you usually hear slow, clear, perfect English. So when you hear real English, your brain gets shocked. But don't worry. Today, I will make everything simple, clear, easy, understandable. Let's break this down, step by step. Main idea number 1, connection. Native speakers connect words. They join words together. They push words into one long sound. So, do you want to eat? Becomes, do you wanna eat? Going to becomes gonna. Want to becomes wanna. The words don't disappear. The words just connect. Think about it like a train. Each word is a train car. Slow English. Car, 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 car. Fast English. All cars connected, moving together. Simple, right? Main idea number 2. Reduction. Native speakers reduce sounds. They make some sounds shorter, smaller, quieter. For example, him sounds like im. Her sounds like Them sounds like am. Also, I am going to becomes I'm gonna. Reduction is normal, natural, and very common. But don't worry, you don't need to speak like that. You only need to understand it. Main idea number 3, rhythm. Every language has a rhythm. Spanish is fast and musical. Korean is smooth and soft. Arabic is strong and bold. English has rhythm too. We stress some words. We relax other words. We push. We pause. We stretch some sounds. So when you listen to English, you are not just hearing words. You are hearing rhythm. And this rhythm is the key to understanding native speakers. Why this matters? Because if you understand these 3 ideas, connection, reduction, rhythm, you unlock English listening. You understand movies. You understand songs. You understand real people in real conversations. Your listening becomes easier. Your confidence becomes stronger. Your English becomes more natural. All right? Now that you understand the main idea, let's move to the fun part. How do you fix this? How do you train your ears? What simple steps can you start today? Section 3. Step-by-step tips and exercises. All right, friend. Now let's talk about the real work. The fun work. The simple daily practice that will help you understand native speakers faster, clearer, and easier. These tips are not complicated. They are not stressful, and you can do them anywhere. At home, on the bus, at work, even while walking. Let's begin. Tip 1. Train with short clips. Big movies are hard. Long podcasts are hard. Fast interviews are hard. So start small. Tiny pieces. Short clips. Take a 5-second clip. Listen. Pause. Listen again. Your brain learns better with small audio chunks. It's like eating small bites of food, not one giant hamburger, right? For example, you can take a short scene from a movie, or a short clip from YouTube Shorts, or a small part of this podcast. Listen. Repeat. Then listen again. Do this every day. Just 5 minutes. That's it. Tip 2. Use shadow listening. This one is powerful. Very powerful. Shadow listening means you listen and you copy the rhythm, not the speed, not the exact pronunciation, only the rhythm. Why? Because rhythm is your key to understanding native speakers. Here's how. Play a short sentence. Listen carefully. Then speak with the same rhythm. Don't worry about mistakes. Try something simple like, I'm gonna go now. Or, do you want to get coffee? Feel the music. Feel the flow. Your ears get stronger every time you shadow. Tip 3. Listen for chunks, not words. Native speakers don't speak word by word. They speak in groups, in ideas, in small blocks of meaning. These blocks are called chunks. For example, do you wanna is one chunk. Go with me is another chunk. In a minute is a third chunk. So instead of focusing on each word, focus on the chunk. The meaning block. When you train your ear like this, everything feels slower, calmer, clearer. Try it right now. Say this sentence in your head. I'm gonna buy some milk. Feel the chunks? Good. Tip 4. Slow down native speech, but not too much. Most apps let you slow audio. YouTube, Spotify, podcast players. But don't slow it too much. If you listen at 0.5 speed, it becomes strange, unnatural, not helpful. The best speed is 0.8, just a little slower, not too slow. This helps your brain catch the small sounds, the connections, the rhythm of real English. Try this for 10 minutes a day. you will see results fast. Tip 5. Repeat the same audio for 7 days. This might sound boring, but trust me, it works like magic. Choose one short audio, maybe 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Then listen to it every day for 1 week. Day 1, confusion. Day 3, better. Day 5, clear. Day 7, easy. Your brain needs repetition. Your ears need time. And your confidence needs success. Small success. Every day. This method builds all 3. Quick example. Routine. Here's a simple daily routine you can start today. 5 seconds. Warm up. Listen 20 seconds. Short clip practice. 10 seconds. Shadow listening. 20 seconds. Chunk practice. 30 seconds. Repeat the same audio. Boom. That's it. 2 minutes. Easy, simple, effective. You can do more if you want. But this small routine is already powerful. Section 4. Progress milestones plus motivation plus real-life applications. All right, friend. You now have the tools. You have the methods. You have the simple steps. But what will happen after you practice? What will change? How fast will you grow? Let's talk about your progress. Because progress matters. Progress motivates. Progress keeps you moving. Your progress. Day 1. Week 1. Month 1. After 1 day. After 1 day, you will not understand everything. And that's okay. Nobody understands everything in 1 day. But you will notice something important. You will hear more sounds. You will catch small pieces. You will recognize small chunks. Maybe you hear gonna. Maybe you hear wanna. Maybe you hear in a minute. These are small wins. And small wins matter. You will also feel a little more confident, a little more hopeful, a little more excited. And that feeling is your first step to success. After 1 week. After 1 week, you will feel a real change, a big change. Suddenly, native speakers sound slower. Not fast, not scary, just normal. Your ears will begin to predict sounds. Your brain will say, "Oh, I know this. Oh, I heard this yesterday. Oh, this is a chunk." You will catch more pieces of meaning. You will understand the main idea even if you miss some words. This is huge progress. Many learners stop too early. But you won't. You're still here. You're still listening. You're still learning. And that makes you stronger. After 1 month. Now, this is where things get exciting. After 1 month of practice, your listening becomes smoother, cleaner, more natural. Movies feel easier. Podcasts feel friendlier. Real conversations feel possible. You will understand not every word, but every idea. And that is real listening. That is real communication. That is real progress. Your confidence grows. Your fear shrinks. Your English becomes more automatic. You stop thinking so much. You start understanding more easily. You start enjoying English. Can you imagine that? Enjoying English. Listening? You will. You really will. Now let me tell you something honest. You are not bad at listening. You are not slow. You are not weak. You simply need more time with real English sounds. Think of your listening like a plant. Yes, a plant. You water a plant. Nothing happens on day 1. You water again. Nothing happens on day 2. But after a few days, you see a small leaf, a small green dot, a sign of life. English listening is the same. You practice, you repeat, you listen again, and slowly your understanding grows. Your ears open. Your brain adapts. Your confidence blooms. So don't stop. Don't quit. Don't say, "It's too hard," because you are growing every single day. And I'm here with you. Every step, every episode, every word. Bye, my friend. Daily life applications. Let's talk about where you can use this skill in your daily life. Because listening practice is not only for study, it is for real life. Here are some simple examples. Watching movies. Pick one scene. Listen. Repeat. Shadow the rhythm. You will notice new sounds you never heard before. Listening to songs. Choose a simple English song. Hear the connection. Hear the reduction. Feel the rhythm. Music trains your ears in a fun and natural way. Talking to real people. When someone speaks fast, don't panic. Listen for chunks. Listen for ideas, not words. You will catch more than you think. Using social media. Short videos are perfect for listening practice. They are fast. They are natural. They are full of real-life English. Listen. Pause. Repeat. This is real training. Daily conversations. Talking to friends. Talking to a coworker. Talking to someone online. Use the rhythm practice. Use the chunk practice. Use your new listening skills to follow the conversation more easily. Every day, you will understand more. Quick recap. 5 simple points. 1. Native speakers sound fast because of 3 things: connection, reduction, rhythm. They connect words. They reduce sounds. They follow natural rhythm. You hear this every day. 2. Short clips are your best friend. Small audio, small practice, small steps, big progress. Just a few seconds of listening can make a huge difference when you repeat daily. 3. Shadow listening builds strong ears. Copy the rhythm, not the perfect sound. Feel the flow. Feel the movement. This helps you understand native speech faster than you think. 4. Listen in chunks, not single words. Words are too small. Chunks carry meaning. Chunks slow down the sound. Chunks help your brain relax and understand more naturally. 5. Repeat the same audio for 7 days. Repetition is the magic key. Your ears need time. Your brain needs patterns. Your confidence needs small wins. 1 short clip. 7 days. Big results. All right, my friend. You made it to the end of this episode. I'm proud of you. Listening is not easy. Listening feels frustrating. Listening can feel impossible when native speakers talk fast. But remember this: you are not failing. You are training. Every time you listen, you grow. Every time you repeat, you improve. Every time you try, you get stronger. You're not behind. You're learning at your speed, your pace, your style. And you know what? That is enough. More than enough. I believe in you. I know you can understand real English. I know you can speak with confidence. And I know you can improve every single day with small, simple steps. So keep going. Keep listening. Keep trying. And keep believing in yourself. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Confident English Cast. Your support helps this show grow and helps me bring you more helpful episodes every week. Thank you for spending time with me today. Thank you for listening. And thank you for working on your English. You've got this, my friend. Truly. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care and keep speaking with confidence.